Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Little Blue Truck's Springtime because it is springtime because it is springtime. So, written by Alice Shaw, whatever, I can't read cursive. Beep beep, Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are out for a drive on a beautiful spring day. Who will see along the way? Peep peep. When you see purple text, double tap the page to open flaps. Meet all the sweet baby animals just born on the farm. Little Blue Truck is on the road taking a drive with his good friend Toad. It's yoo-hoo, okay, sky blue, spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo, sheep, beep beep, what's now? Ooh, a little white lamb and twin lamb too. Who's swimming in a line? It's because there's text purple. I'm looking for like from here, like this, but here. Why is it working? Okay, let's just save it. Yoo-hoo, goat, what do you say? Can the cakes come out to play? Duh. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Ears in clover? That looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo bunny, what's in the nestled grass? Check out before we pass. Tap tap, anybody home? Who's in the smooth round dome? Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep beep beep. So this was a quick book. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!